Hello, welcome to this video. Here in this video, we will learn types of function arguments. In Python, there are four types of arguments: positional arguments, default arguments, keyword arguments, and arbitrary arguments. Positional arguments, values are assigned to the parameter based on their position in function call. Default arguments, that means parameters with pre-assigned values if no arguments are provided in function call. Keyword arguments, values are passed explicitly specifying parameter names. And arbitrary arguments means allowed to accept variable number of any number of or positional arguments. So we'll see demo of one by one. Here already I have written one function def sample, to which I have written name as a name same and roll number as three parameters or arguments, and in definition I'm printing name is equal to name, semester is equal to same, and roll number is equal to roll number in curly bracket. That is, variable names are given in curly bracket with app literal. So in this, now when I make a call, that is start of program, in the program when I make a call to this sample with parameters or arguments. Suppose name is Akshay, semester second, and roll number is suppose 10. I will save this, and when I make call to this function, it will display name is equal to Akshay, semester is equal to roll number is equal to 10. That means Akshay will be given to name parameter, 2 or say second will be given to same parameter, and 10 will be given to roll number. Now suppose when I make a call to sample with, suppose first I'll pass roll number 20, then I will pass suppose name Sanket and semester suppose 1. Okay. Now I'm making call little bit different. That is, order of parameters are changed. And when I make a call and run this program, now look, name is equal to 20. That means 20 will be given to name. Semester Sanket will be given to semester. So that is completely wrong. Then these are the called, this type of parameter passing is called positional parameter. Positional parameter where the where the values are assigned to the parameter based on their position in the function call. Now to make a change to it, we should assign a keyword values. That means I'll just talk about keyword arguments. That is, values are passed explicitly specifying parameter name. So in this, suppose in function call, if I make roll number equal to 20 and name equal to Sanket and same equal to 1, that means in any order, if I write it like this with explicit name, so it will come correctly. Look, name is equal to Sanket, semester is equal to 1, roll number is equal to 20. This is called keyword arguments. That means values are passed explicitly specifying parameter name or argument name. Now we'll see default argument. Suppose in this program, if I simply call name, and if I don't pass parameter, and when I run this code, it will give error to me because here it is saying that missing three required positional arguments. That means argument have not been passed. So in such cases, it should call with default values. If you look at this default parameter with pre-assigned values. So in the function, fun- if I mention in the definition header, if I mention name is equal to xxx, that means if you don't pass values, and same is equal to, suppose XX and roll number is equal to 0. And when I save, this is called with default values. When I save this and run this code, it will give this. Name is XX, semester is equal to XX, and roll number is equal to 0. That is called with default value. And earlier function call are with values. That is all about functions with positional argument, function with keyword argument, and function with default argument. Now I will show demo of arbitrary arguments where args or k star args or star k args are used to accept variable number of arguments. So I will write fresh program, uh, use definition def. Suppose I'll give function one, fun1 in parameter I will pass star args colon, then indentation I will use for loop for I in args colon double indentation. Then I will use simply print I. So now program starting here in this program, I'm simply calling function one with no parameter. Or in comment, I'm mentioning function call with no argument. So when I save this and run this code, it will generate no output because function, but no error as well. Now I'm calling this function with one argument. So in the parameter or argument in function call, I'll pass suppose a capital letter A. I will save this and run this. Now A get printed. Now same function I will call with two arguments. So in the function call, suppose I'll pass different 10, comma, name Akshay. So when I run this, it will print a single parameter. Then the function call with two parameter that is 10 and action. Again, I'll make a call to this function with three parameters, suppose with some different parameters. Suppose uh, Sachin, comma 10,000, comma suppose I will say runs, comma 100, something like that, or three parameters I'm mentioning. Okay, runs. I'll save this, and when I run this code, it will give Sachin 10,000 runs, three parameters. Like that, you can pass a number of parameters in the function call.